Hello friends, today we are going to study the few MCQ questions on water treatment topics. The course name of the subject that is known as Applied Science Chemistry, having the course code 22202. The course outcome of this topic: use the relevant water treatment process to solve the industrial problems. MCQ set number that is 2.1. Now let's see the few MCQ questions one by one. The first: soap is a mixture of dash dash. Yes, it is a mixture of sodium, salt, or fatty acid that is called as a soap. Next question: the acceptable pH, that is range of drinking water, is. pH is one of the important parameters to know whether that water is drinkable or not, and according to that the range it should be in between 7 to 8.5, that is safe for drinking purposes. Next questions: the water is passed through the filter beds of the sand and gravels to remove the smaller particle of the dust is called as a filtrations. By this filtration, yes, there is a removal of the small particles by the passing through the filtration bed. Next question that is related, that is the fourth questions: the anions exchange resins are capable of exchanging the anions by an dash dash ions. Anion exchanger, they are exchanged with OH minus ions, that is called as a hydroxyl ion. This is the fourth option. This one is the correct option is there. Next questions, fifth one: by using hard water containing the small quantity of sodium carbonate in the high pressure boiler, the product obtains are. During this process, whatever the sodium carbonate is added, they are react with the water, and under high pressure, yes, there is a formation of sodium hydroxide and carbon dioxides. Means whatever the sodium is there, that is converted into sodium hydroxide, and carbonate that converted into carbon dioxide is there. Sixth question: if the precipitate formed is a soft, loose and slimy, these are called as a sludge. This one is there. And if the precipitate is very hard and adhering on the inner wall of the boiler, that is called as scales. That's why the second option is correct. Seventh questions: the water without any minerals present in it is called as a distilled waters. Next questions: the purpose of adding the coagulant in the waters is to be whatever the impurities are present in that waters, they are quickly settled down by adding the coagulants. That is main purpose. That is why this is a B option is correct. Next, ninth question: the pressure applied in the reverse osmosis is in the range of 200 to 1200 psi. This is a unit of the pressures, that is applied pressure. The ultraviolet rays are used in the water treatment for the disinfection. Disinfection means they are used for the killing the bacteria or to stop the growth of the bacteria present in the water, and that can be done by using the ultraviolet rays. Next question: the zeolite process, calcium and magnesium salt react with the zeolite to form whatever the calcium and magnesium ions present in the water. That water will have to be called as hard water, and this hard water, when it comes in contact with the zeolites, yes, there is exchange takes place with the sodium, and there is a formation of calcium and magnesium permutate, or also called as zeolite. That's why this is a C option is correct. The unit of the hardness of water is expressed as you know, there are three important units. They have to be expressed the hardness of water. One is called as a parts per million, second one is a degree French, and last one is a degree Clarks. Means the last option is a correct, means all of above one is. Next question 13: total hardness of potable water should not be more than 500 ppms. The presence of bicarbonate in the calcium in the water that causes the temporary hardness of water, because this types of the hardness we can be removed by simply boiling. That's why it is called as a temporary hardness, that is called as bicarbonate of calcium, known as a temporary hardness. 15 questions. Which of the following makes the water unsafe for the drinking purpose? The presence of calcium and magnesiums, colored salt, and bacteria. All are the unsafe. That's why last option is the correct. The unit used for expressing the temporary hardness of water. It may be temporary or a permanent hardness, as we can be expressed in the degree French. The total, the sorry, 17th question. The process used for the removing the temporary hardness. Just I told that that is a temporary hardness. Yes, we can be removed by simply by boiling process. Next questions. The substance which is used in one of the sterilization process of potable waters, that is ozone gas. Ozone gas is one of the gas which is commonly used for the sterilization process. 19th question. Carbonate in the water produce the, yes, that is called as a temporary hardness. Last question. The solvent flow from the lower concentration to the higher concentration solution through semi-permeable membrane is a main purpose of, that is called as a reverse osmosis. In that reverse osmosis, yes, there is a flow of the water from the lower concentration to the higher concentration by applying the pressures, that is in between the 200 to the 1200 size. Thank you.